Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be all night, I'll be all day.
What is up, you guys? This is your boy srxgscollabs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full review on the infamous Adidas Yeezy 500s. I'm going to be talking about pricing, styling, sizing, pretty much sharing with you guys everything you're going to need to know when it comes to that particular shoe. I'm going to be giving you guys my 100% honest thoughts on them and basically just really let you guys know what's really good with the shoe and if I personally think they're worth the cop. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so when I first saw these shoes like online when they kind of like first came out, I was honestly a little torn because a part of me was like, yo, these are fresh as fuck, and then the other part of me was just kind of like, what the fuck is that? I was definitely a little hesitant to get them at first just because they are so bulky and I didn't really know how they were gonna fit. But what I will say is after having them for a while and kind of getting a chance to put some outfits together, my opinion on the Adidas Yeezy 500s have honestly changed so much. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my final thoughts on the shoe. But first, let's get into the specs. So these Yeezy 500s come in at a retail price of $200 US before shipping and taxes. The actual shoe itself is made up of a ton of materials. Starting from the bottom of the shoe, we of course have the Adidas sole. Moving up right here, we kind of have this almost rubber-like material. Then of course we have the suede on the toe as well as other parts of the shoe such as the eyelets of the laces and a little bit towards the back right here. And then to finish it off, we just have mesh that kind of goes all around the shoe as well as the tongue part in the center right here. So when it comes to the fit of the Yeezy 500s, I notice, in my opinion, they do fit true to size. When it comes down to the actual comfiness of this shoe, hands down, these Adidas Yeezy 500s are most definitely the most comfortable pair of shoes I personally own. And you'd be surprised because, again, as you guys can see, like these shoes are bulky. They're just like super huge and honestly, they can kind of seem and look impractical. But regardless of all of that, they're still very much so a super comfy shoe. And not to mention, on top of the actual like Adidas sole, on the inside, they have ortholite insoles for that additional comfort. So for these shoes, when it comes to styling, you guys can honestly style these shoes with pretty much anything. However, for me personally, when I'm rocking this shoe, I like to keep my fit super simple because I like to let the shoe really have its moment and kind of be the standout feature of the whole entire fit. When I'm wearing these shoes, I would just sport a super simple basic tee, some really good crop trousers, crop trouser gang, you already know what it is, maybe like a hat, and of course finish off the whole look with kind of just like a simple overshirt type of jacket. Again, just, you know, trying to keep things casual and understated since the shoe itself already has such a strong design. One thing I will mention is, as you guys can see in the cutaways, I showcased the utility black Yeezy 500s with a different fit because I do notice that, in my opinion, the utility black Yeezy 500s are so much easier to style. I'm actually wearing them right now, so like that's why I can't hold it up, but I just noticed that like with the blush pair, it's a little harder to pair it with outfits that have darker elements such as like navy and black, like kind of what I'm wearing right now. Like I wouldn't wear these blush ones with this outfit, but again, I would wear the utility black ones with pretty much anything. But whichever one you can get your hands on is fine. That's just like something I kind of wanted to like throw out there and mention real quickly. Just overall a super fire shoe that will elevate pretty much any basic outfit. In conclusion, in my 100% honest opinion, without a doubt, these Adidas Yeezy 500s are most definitely worth the cop. As I mentioned earlier, I was definitely a little hesitant to get them in the beginning, but you know, after having a chance to like style them and wear them, they really did grow on me. One thing's for sure, and is the fact that these shoes are definitely not for everyone, but at the end of the day, like if you're the one who's purchasing them and if you're the one who's rocking them and if you're feeling them, then that's honestly all that that matters. The Yeezy 500s are most definitely a trend-driven type of shoe, but in my opinion, I definitely think that because the design of the actual shoe is so unique, I really do believe that these will last even after the whole like dad shoe trend dies down. So again, the Adidas Yeezy 500s are a 10 out of 10 for me. These shoes right here are a 100% cop. I personally like the utility black ones over the blush ones, but that's just my opinion. And that's it for my full review on the Adidas Yeezy 500s. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and you kind of gathered some more information and some more inspo after watching this video. Do me a favor and let's get a conversation going. Comment below your honest thoughts on the Adidas Yeezy 500s. Do you guys like them? Are you fucking with them? Would you cop them? Do you like when other people wear them? Which color do you guys like better? And yeah, just let me know because I genuinely love hearing from you guys. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this. What else? Follow me on Instagram at srxgs. I post a ton of stuff on there, like on Instagram stories. And I just post like a lot of content on there, so don't sleep on my Instagram. Yeah, I think that's it. So until next time, peace.